Welcome back to the channel. In this video I have sample footage from the VANTRUE E1 Pro 4K ultra high definition single channel dash camera, which has a Sony Starvis 2 IMX678 image sensor, and I have the HDR feature enabled in all of the sample footage, but I have the image quality setting set to PlatePix on the left examples and the image quality setting set to standard on the right examples. You can see how much it darkens the image when PlatePix is selected, and you may want to utilize the PlatePix timer depending on your particular requirements for capturing footage day or night. I do have the 40mm circular polarizing lens filter installed on the E1 Pro for the daytime footage, since there's a lot of reflections off the windshield glass in the daytime, and I've removed it for the nighttime footage. If you found this video to be informational, make sure you hit that like button. Thanks for watching.